Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how to use the aggregate function that you can find the function the newest version of Microsoft Excel that are from 2013, right? And what is the aggregate function and how to use it, we are going to discuss it briefly into this video. The Excel aggregate function returns an aggregate calculation like average, count, if, sum, max, etc., optionally ignoring the hidden rows and errors. There are a total of 19 operations you can see into that function that can be specified by function number into their first argument, right? So welcome back everyone on a new video of Microsoft Excel miscellaneous series that is running into my channel, where I am going to show you a number of functions that are not commonly used but they might be very important into your daily work life. So this is your host Pritam, and don't worry, I will give you the link of downloading this Excel workbook into my description box, so please check it out. So in this example you can see that I have a simple database where I have some numbers from B9 to B17 cells that will be considered as our table range, and here we are going to use the aggregate function equals to aggregate. Now as the syntax, so where is the max option? That is in number 4, right? So select number 4 by pressing tab, or you can directly input number 4 here, right? So insert a comma. Now here it is asking for some options. I will highly recommend you to read all the options from 0 to 7 and only insert that option that you are thinking that will be useful into your formula, right? So as per my requirement, I am using number 3 options, as that one is ignore hidden rows, error values, nested subtotal and aggregate functions, right? So insert number 3 here, insert a comma. Now it is asking for array. And what is our array? That is from B9 to B17. As the max value doesn't need any more functions or any more reference, or you can say optional second references, which will be included as k, so we are not providing the value of k, right? So close the parentheses and hit the enter button. Look at here, it is showing you the result properly. Now as we are searching for the minimum value into this cell, we are going to use the minimum function as our function number equals to aggregate. Now the minimum function is into number 5 here, insert a comma. We are going to use number 3 option, insert a comma. Our array is from B9 to B17 and we do not need any second argument here, as per we are going to use the minimum function here. So close the parentheses and hit the enter button. Look at here, it is also showing you the proper result. Now you may ask a question that why aren't we using the max function or minimum function? Well, watch this video till the end. I will describe the whole process of aggregate function into this video. So if we use the max function here for example, look at here, now it is asking for number. Here we need to give our table range and close the parentheses, hit the enter button, will show you the result accurately. Now let's check the sum function here, and after then I will describe you, right? Equals to aggregate. Now the sum option is into number 9, comma, we are going to use number 3 as our options, comma, as array we are going to include B9 to B17, close parentheses and hit the enter button. Look at here, it is showing you the result accurately. But why are we using the aggregate function? So here, if you use any of filters or errors, it will show you the result properly, but the other options that you are going to use like maximum function or minimum function or sum function, that will show you an error. Look at here carefully. In this cell I am going to insert a filter option by going to home tab and sort and filter, right? So the maximum value is into this table is 68, right? So if we do not include the 68 here, the aggregate function will show you the result as per your current table only, but where your max function is showing you the previous or old result only. So that's the disadvantages, or you can say the advantages of aggregate function using in your database. So now you might ask, what is the k used for? So some of the function like large function, there we are going to use the k function as the optional argument, right? So if you use the large function here, aggregate. So if you don't know how the large function works, I'll give you the link of the large function where I have showed you in details into my description box, or you can check directly into the I button here. So where is the large function? That is on number 14, right? Insert a comma. Now we are going to use number 3 as our option, comma. What is our array? That is from B9 to B17. Now here we need to use an option as k, and we are searching for the number 1 largest value into this table. So inserting number 1, close the parentheses, hit the enter button, it will show you the result accurately as per your current database, right? And if you change the value as 2 here, it will show you the second largest value of this current database, right? So if you select the 68 value here also, it will show you the result according to your table. So now note carefully friends, aggregate function will automatically returns a hashtag value error if a second function argument where it is required but not given. Like here, if you don't give this second argument and close the parentheses, hit enter button, it will show you an error result. The second point is 3D references do not work with aggregate function, and the last point is aggregate function is designed vertical ranges, not for the horizontal ranges. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another interesting video and the second part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.